Hello everyone, I hope you all are okay. So, in the morning, we went to the beach, and now we are going for lunch. And this place is very interesting, very pretty. It's called the Chocolate Factory and Craft Center, and this place is located between Mullion Village and Mullion Cove. And we have come here for the lunch because we are traveling back to London, so we thought we can have lunch before going home. So let's go and see. They have a nice cafe, a coffee shop, and there is sitting arrangements inside the cafe and outside as well. And this is a chocolate shop where they have a different variety of chocolates, really pretty. You can find all sort of chocolates there, different flavors, shapes. My kids were so happy to come here. They really loved it. This was very cute little chocolate shop, and all these chocolates are handmade. They also have jams and chutneys, marmalade. Chocolate Factory and Craft Center is very prominent attraction because it's known for serving a wide range of chocolates. Visitors get to check out several varieties of chocolates. So next to the chocolate shop, there is a little factory kind of room where they make chocolates, and visitors are allowed to come and see through the window how they are making the chocolates. And I think kids really love to stand and watch the people who are making the chocolates. It's very fascinating and interesting for the children. They have a very nice cozy coffee shop which offers light lunches, homemade cakes, Cornish cream teas, and different kind of milkshakes and light lunches. So when you come here, you can definitely come and try their food. It is delicious. They have seating arrangement in the coffee shop, but they also have a sitting arrangements outside on the terrace. So while we were waiting for the lunch, we thought we can go back to the shop and buy some chocolates. So I am back with the kids in the shop. All these chocolates were really nice and they looked so cute. I mean, when you are in the shop, you want to buy almost everything, but of course we can't. We have to be obviously sensible. So but when you are in the shop, everything was so pretty and cute. They decorated and they designed it so well. When you come to Chocolate Factory and the Craft Center, it's very easy to locate, and they have free parking for the visitors. And if you want to see the other attractions, like if you want to see the llamas, and if you want to go to the craft shop, entry is all free, and they also have toilet facilities. One. So put it inside. Shall we? Great. So we are back with our chocolates and we are still waiting for the lunch. It hasn't come yet. The day was really beautiful. It was nice and sunny. It wasn't sunny in the morning because we went to the beach. It was cloudy and windy, but it's afternoon now and the sun has come out and everything looks so bright and beautiful. The day is so clean and clear. The sky looks so beautiful. We were really enjoying sitting outside and having our lunch. It looked perfect, so fresh and nice. Chocolate Factory is surrounded by lush green fields and it is so pretty. You can even see some animals. We spotted some horses in the field. They even have some llamas on the other side of the parking, but we couldn't go and see because we didn't have enough time. We wanted to go back now because it's gonna be a long journey for us. So we just came here for lunch, but we thought we'll have some we'll buy some chocolates and and then we will leave. But if you come here, if you have time, you should go and see the other attractions. They have llamas, they have craft shop, and coffee shop, of course, which is really nice to see. It is very pretty, nice countryside. It was also beautiful. So we are in the car now. We are ready to go back home now. This location is really pretty. I loved this village. It was really nice. So we have stopped at Burger King, bought some food because it's been nearly like 3 hours we have been driving. So we just stopped here for a break. This is the last video of the Cornwall trip. I do have some videos I made last year when we went on holidays, so I was thinking I might upload those videos. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I'm thinking I can edit and put those videos. If you guys are interested, if you want to see last year's holidays, let me know. I can upload those videos. But thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you so much. Take care and bye bye.